So we're going to go over to the marketing control panel. And a couple of things, if you haven't been in this area, again, I highly recommend, especially if you have analytics turned on in your implementation, you're just missing out on data. You can start putting some data points in there to capture. Taxonomies is important if you want to like create a structure of reports. So when we talk about our next session around analytics, what I've done here is I created a goal facet, campaign facet called Pen Club Campaigns, coupon, email, social. And what this is doing is just, a lot of Sitecores, while there's a UI here, you're just configuring a very vast relational database. You can think about if you play with something like an Airtable, one of those type of products, you're doing the same thing here. And so we're just saying, hey, when we run campaigns, I want to be able to organize information by coupon, email, and social so that I can pull analytical reports based on that. And then I have my Pen Club taxonomy around my goals. And basically I have two major goals. I want to generate prospects. I want to generate revenue. And I want to map all like campaign activity, personalization activity to these facets so that I can pull greater reports out. If we look at our goals here, I have my Pen Club folder where I have my style selector submit goal and my subscribe goal. And this is where you can see that goal facet being mapped here. So Pen Club taxonomy prospects versus the subscribe, which will be the callback to Sitecore to say, hey, someone went to Shopify, ran payment processing. We're going to trigger a goal that says someone did that so that we know that our customer tied it to revenue. Other things that we configured inside Marketing Control Panel are inside our profiles here. So again, there's obviously, this is Icreon.com, so there's stuff that we're doing with our own implementation, but Pen Club here, I have my stage here because what I want to happen is as I'm going through, as a user's going through various different behavioral activities, I want to indicate like what stage in the customer journey are they in? Are they a customer? Are they in the consideration phase? Are they just at an awareness stage? And then I have my style selector over here where I have my profile key of decision maker, diverse palette, don't care, and pattern cards here. And if you've dug into profile keys, profile cards, pattern cards, the easiest way to think about it is, profile keys are your attributes. Profile cards are telling the system that's where you're taking those attributes and you're putting them into anything like content, a page, and saying, this is what I want to score this content as. Like, so if I wanted to profile card a decision maker piece of content, I would say this content is about decision making, right? This content is about diverse palette. This content is about don't care. That's what a profile card is. And a pattern card is telling you the answer from the user is I'm interested in decision making collection. I'm interested in the diverse palette collection. And when you think about the data around your profile, just so there's a percentage type, average, and a sum type. And there's a decay rate. The only, just the thing about this, don't let it get you crazy. But the idea is if you visit my site and then you visit my site 3 months, 6 months down the road, you've changed as an individual. Your preferences have changed, maybe not, depending on what kind of business you're in or how long your sales cycle is. But the decay rate is how fast you want basically Sitecore to forget about the data that it's consumed about a user. So that was our configuration in Marketing Control Panel.